he's got the, like a Y in his wheel. Y.
Yeah.
It's just a single. Mine's a double.
So I'm going to make it trim, but I'm going to make it over here, so just keep recording.
These guys are down to last night. Aiden, not Aiden, but Alex was telling me about guys that, all these guys that, these Teslas and all that, right into Toronto now.
Really, eh?
Yeah. I think we're not charging enough money.
I don't think we're charging enough money.
If we charge more, we won't get less. Though.
But we're getting the work in the door, so.
That's what I'm counting on.
And that's good for both of us. So.
I told you, it's all about making sure that you're not sitting on your ass.
Sure.
Yeah, you
Paying
got
my bills.
Yeah, that's exactly. I'm not trying to be greedy, but you know,
No. Totally get it.
we're making money, and the problem is we're getting more cars. When we get overbooked to a point where we can't handle it anymore, then
Well, yeah, then it's demand, right?
it's the match.
And they're like, we want you to do it.
It'll take probably another year.
Yeah.
Just think about it. The only time we were demand last year is all because of car dealers. Now,
Yeah. So I fucking grabbed a little bit of his clear coat on the other side, eh?
okay.
Nah, I grabbed it with the phone.
Well, you can't see it.
Well, a little bit. If you're looking for it.